Hi, it's Avi and Mark here. We're here to do an ice bath meditation at Burn. So we're going to guide you through your unique experience in an ice bath. Mark's getting ready right here, getting focused, calm, easy breathing, steady, setting his intention for his ice bath. As you're setting your intention, start to focus on your ability to withstand stress at the highest level. When Mark is ready, he'll slowly walk into the ice bath 1 foot at a time, guiding his way up to the front of the plunge. The goal in the beginning is to allow your breath to do whatever it naturally wants to do. Don't fight that urge to breathe through your mouth, to shorten the inhale, shorten the exhale. Whatever your body's telling you to do, just go ahead and do. It's always helpful to rest your head on the back of the tank. Take that 15 to 20 pounds off of your body. Continue to relax into it. Goal is to extend the exhales. So start to focus on elongating the exhale. You can make them audible as well, as Mark's doing now. Just start to create a little bit of vocalization to the exhales. Once you find that you've got control of your breathing in the ice bath, create some holds. So you pull a nice full inhale in, hold at the top, ease the exhale out. Calmly let it go. There it is. Dopamine starts to release at a certain point within the ice bath. You can literally feel that sense of calm come over the whole body. Once you have control of your breathing, you downregulate to nasal breathing. You slow your whole nervous system down by nasal breathing. You connect to your body. You focus on relaxing. Doesn't hurt to flash that smile either. Let your body know that it's in a safe, comfortable place. You're no longer in this resistance with the ice. You're in harmony with it. Completely chilled out. As you get control of it all, maybe then you can start to create a rhythm of a 5-second inhale, 5-second exhale. Box breathing is also a great exercise to do at this point, this stage. Really lets the nervous system know that you're fully in control. You're back in control of your breathing. Your heart rate responds accordingly, slowing down, getting that easy, calm, resting heart rate, and all the anti-inflammatory properties that come along with the ice bath. Every additional inch you move in there starts to create a little bit more stress on the body. Mark, you're at your 3 minutes. Whenever you're ready, you can slowly, calmly make your way out, taking your time. Easy does it. Nice job, man. Here you go. Yeah. After you get off, like dry, some movement now to create some heat in the body. Part of the health benefits of the ice bath is to naturally warm your body up through movement. So it's not to rush into the hot shower, that hot sauna right away. What you really want to do is you want to start to create some dynamic movement to get that blood flowing again, get that circulation going from that vasoconstriction in the ice bath. So whatever the movement is, it's always in concert with directed, controlled breathing. That doesn't stop, continues on from the moment we set the intention before the ice bath. It's Mark and Avi here for your ice bath experience. Please let us know what you think. If you tried it at home, did you find you're able to calm your breathing down quickly? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you guys. Signing off here at Burn. Hope to see you soon.